Welcome to our lesson of the day, where we will explore the concept of the Golden Rule. The Golden Rule teaches us to treat others as we would like to be treated. Let's dive into a bedtime story that illustrates this important lesson. In our story, we will meet a kind character who embodies the Golden Rule. This character will face challenges that test their understanding of kindness. Through their journey, they will learn the true meaning of empathy and compassion. By the end of the story, we will see how the Golden Rule can change lives. Get ready to enjoy the story and discover how you can apply the Golden Rule in your life. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. Lily loved to help others, always sharing her toys and treats with her friends. One day, a new boy named Max moved to the village feeling lonely and shy. Seeing Max alone, Lily remembered the Golden Rule: treat others as you want to be treated. She approached Max and invited him to play, making him feel welcomed and happy. As they played together, Max's laughter filled the air and he felt like he belonged. From that day on, they became the best of friends, sharing adventures and dreams. And so, the Golden Rule spread throughout the village, reminding everyone to be kind and caring.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.